because the laws have changed about how you can go about credit repair, you can't even really talk to anybody on the phone to get an answer if they're doing it legally. Today, what we're going to break down is the exact steps and the things that you need to look for and or ask if you are looking for help with credit repair. I know you want to talk to the person on the phone, you want to make sure they're a real person, they're verified and stuff like that, but make sure that you watch to the end, because I'm going to be sharing all the things that you need to know about credit repair so that you can pick the best credit repair company or program for you to build an 800 credit score within 6 to 12 months, because that's how long it's going to take. That's the first thing. All the people who are coming to you and being like, we can do it overnight, they can do it overnight. The result's not going to last, not for what you need, because it's going to take you 30 to 60 days to close on a home. It's going to take you some time to maybe get the financing for the business. Don't you think for the slightest moment that that bank is not going to turn your credit and your money's upside down to figure out if what's there is real, because they want to make sure that you can pay that money back. When you deal with a company who's going to say everything's not mine or make these false promises and guarantees to you, you need to question that. If anything sounds too good to be true, it's probably too good to be true. The real for real, I don't make any guarantees for my company. PCS isn't making any guarantees. Here's why. I can do the work. I can't guarantee that you'll do the action steps and the builder steps to help correct your credit, even if everything was deleted. I don't know what'll be deleted until we start disputing it. I don't know what's valid until we start getting responses from creditors and credit bureaus. I would be crazy to make a guarantee and say everything's going to be gone because this is what we're doing, when I have absolutely no way of knowing. I have to work that file. What we can do is make sure that we educate you. You want to go for a credit repair company that's going to educate you on the process. They will provide some sort of way for you to learn how to do credit builders. They're not just going to hawk the things that they get paid an affiliate fee for. We don't tell you to use anything that we haven't vetted, that we can't verify, that we don't know for sure is going to do what it does. Like if your credit repair company is always trying to get you to use these certain things that they say, only what they say only, it might not, you got, or you feel in your gut that it might not be good for you, just say something. You know what I mean? Now there's some things that you just got to do with it. How long is it going to take? Friend, I'm holding your hand as I say this. Your credit didn't get bad overnight. It's unfair to expect for someone to fix it overnight. Not only that, there are some skills that you're going to have to learn as a person who's utilizing the credit, so that you can learn, maybe you thought it was a good idea to do this, maybe really you need to do that instead. It takes time for your habits to change, as well as us just going through the process with the paperwork and everything. You will start to see responses from the credit bureaus or from the creditors if the credit repair company disputes both, because some only do one or the other, within 40 days or so. You have to give time for your paperwork to process. We following the rules of our state because we want to maintain our license, because we licensed over here. So for my state, we have to give you 3 days while you're thinking about it, like a buyback period, I'm gonna call it, even though it's not. It gives you 3 days to decide if this is really what you want to do. Then after that, within that time frame, we'll go ahead and we will process your report. We'll look at it for issues. Then we'll create your disputes. Then those get mailed out. That can take a day or two. And I say 2 because we have to give time for the postal service. That's 5 days. Then you allow, the rule is we have to allow them 30 days from the day that they receive it to review it. That's 35 days. Then if they have to also go through getting it back to us or getting the responses back, then that is also going to be another 5 days. That's why we're at 40 days. Did that check out for y'all? If it does, let me know in the comments. Did you know that? Does that help ease your woes in your mind about time and what's taking so long? Let me know. Now that you understand the guarantee possibility, the length of time, we cannot do a contract that exceeds 6 months. So we're month to month. If you want to keep in the program, keep in the program. If you don't want to keep in the program, don't keep in the program. However, if you're going to be in the program, give us the time, which goes back to the last thing, to make sure, or give the time to any, and this is for any, give the time, fully commit. We're month to month. We can't do contracts that exceed 6 months. Otherwise, we'll have to review it again within that 6 month period. Every state's going to be different. Although I know sometimes you might feel like my credit is bad, I need this fixed yesterday, I need to find a place to live because I need this right now. You're responding that way because you are under financial distress. You are letting your emotions control your decision making. When you let your emotions control your decision making, you make rushed or rash decisions. When you make rushed decisions, you often haven't had the time to think it through. I'm telling you this because I know it. I've been there. Then you make the decision. You like, why did I do this? Right? Why did I do this? I should have done A, B, C, X, Y, Z. No, you can't always win them all. You can't always get the results that you think you're going to get. Y'all, girl, she's shining. Anywho, these are the things that you do. You'll make a quick decision. If you don't know if you're in financial distress, let me know and maybe we can talk about it. The purpose of today's video was to come in here and help you have a better understanding. If there are more questions that I didn't cover, I just covered the top 3 that I could think of, which is there a contract? How long does it take? And if there's a guarantee, then drop them. Let me know, because those are the questions that I think we get all the time, because it kind of makes you, or as a consumer, that all of us are a consumer at some point to something. It makes us feel comfortable if for some reason something doesn't work. Now, friend, again, now I'm going to caress your cheek when I say this. We have to be careful about looking for a way out of things or to point blame for something that's not working when we are a part of the problem. We're not willing to address the issues that we have to make sure it's not a recurring problem. I am just saying it how it came. I'm guilty. This is why I can say it with such conviction, such strength. I'm guilty. I've done it. It's easy for us to feel a peace or feel good about something that doesn't work. Say, this is why it didn't work. We give excuse to it because we're not having our own ownership in the things that we've done and the decisions that we've made. If you made it this far, make sure that you follow, subscribe, share with your friends. Let's get this where it needs to go, because we need to help more people make educated decisions. Because educated consumers are better for decision making. When you feel like that you're making a better decision, you feel comfort. And when you feel comfort, you don't feel anxious. When you're not anxious, then you are at peace. And that is the goal. That is the goal. That's the goal. We want you to not be anxious. These are the things that we want for you. I want for you. Thank you so much for joining my TED Talk. My name is Shannon. I'm a realtor in the state of Delaware. I also focus on helping buyers and sellers feel confident and making decisions in real estate. Thank you so much. Bye.